Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat, you're watching AutoGyaan. So you've just bought a new car or just like maintaining your car. Here are quick tips that can help you DIY detail your car at home to keep it looking brand new. Let's get started. Now we've come to Steam and Shine, a detailing spa here in New Delhi, to help us show you some of these methods. Now the starting point for any care for any car is to wash the car, and there are a few steps involved in this, and we'll break them down for you and show you how it's done and what products should be used. The first step to washing the car is the 2-bucket method. You need 2 clean buckets and you need to fill them up with water. If you do have a grit guard, it is always handy to place it inside a bucket. This will prevent dust or any kind of contamination from going back onto the car. Now to one of these buckets, add a good quality car shampoo. We'll leave some recommendations in the description below. Now after first rinsing down your car, dip a washing mitt into the soapy water and start from the top down, which means first wash the roof, then the glass, and then come down to the doors and the bonnet. Now every time your washing mitt needs more soap, first wash the mitt in the clean water and then dip it in the soapy water. This is why the 2-bucket method comes in handy. Now for logos and tight areas, use a detailing brush. These are readily available and we'll leave the ones that we are using in the description below as well. Now once you've applied soap to the entire car, it's time to wash the wheels. So spray down your tires with water and now use a tire brush to scrub the debris and the dirt directly off the tire. At this time, use any remaining car shampoo left in your bucket for washing down the tires. After you've soaped up and washed the entire car, it's time to finally rinse it off. So rinse off all the soap from the entire car, including the tires, all glass and all surfaces of the car. After you've washed the car, it's time to dry it down, and here we recommend using a good quality microfiber cloth to dry down your car. Also make sure your microfiber cloths are clean. You don't want to be putting dirt back onto the car, or having dirt on the microfiber can scratch the surface of your paint and deteriorate the quality of the paint as well. Drying the car should also start from the top down. So the first thing you need to dry is the roof of the car, then come to the panels, the doors, the bonnet, the boot, all of those surface areas. For glass, use a separate low lint microfiber cloth. We'll leave all of the cloths that we are using in the description below as well. Now at certain times your car may not be as dirty, so for those times you can use a waterless car wash, and this is also readily available. All you need to do is basically spray down surfaces that you think are dirty and then wipe them off with the clean microfiber cloth. After your car is completely cleaned and dried out, what you need to do is to protect it, and for that you can use a good quality wax, but most waxes require a lot of manual labor and will require them for you to manually wax them on, wait for it to dry, and then wipe them off. We do recommend using something that is a lot more easier, and that is a hybrid ceramic wax. Now this wax also includes a ceramic coating, so it not only protects your paint but also makes water bead off, so it will prevent water from staying on the paint and creating marks. This is really handy and it's really easy to spray. We've used this on our channel in the past and you can readily find them. We'll leave the one that we are using in the links in the description below. Now after you're done with the car, also spray down the tires with a tire protector or a tire foam, and this not only brings out the color of the tires but also reinvigorates the rubber and makes it look brand new. Now the car is done from the outside, it's time to move to the inside, and the first step to moving inside is to clean out your cabin of any kind of trash or scraps that you may have in the car, and then just do a full vacuum of the interior. So mats and any areas that are dirty should be vacuumed out at this point. After you vacuumed the interior, it's time to look at the seats. So if you do have a fabric seat, you can use a all-purpose cleaner to spray down and then wipe off the seats. This not only removes dust and dirt from the seats and make them look new, but also removes any kind of mold or bacteria that may be sitting on the seats from years of them not being cleaned. So it's a good idea to wash down the seats if you can, if you do have fabric seats. For leather or leather-like seats, you do get cleaners. So for leather, you do get a leather cleaner cum conditioner combo, and that just applies directly onto the seats, and you can clean out the seats and also condition the leather at the same time. These are highly recommended, and you should do this at least once every 6 months to clean out the leather and also to condition the leather of your car so that it lasts much longer. Now that your interior is clean, what you need to do is install a nice perfume or a charcoal based odor remover to keep it looking clean and smelling fresh. And once you've done that, you've basically now detailed your car, and your car not only looks good and new from the outside but also from the inside. Congratulations. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to click that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with a friend. This has been Bharat Nagpal. You've been watching AutoGyaan. We will see you in the next one.